How to share your TikTok account. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to share your TikTok profile. Easy and quick. So first thing, go to your TikTok app, click on it. Once you are in your profile, click on those three lines up there beside the eye icon, and here you're gonna find setting and privacy. Click on it. Now on account options, you're gonna find share profile. Click on it. You can share profile on your TikTok by click on more and choose your friends to share your TikTok profile with, or just share your profile to another app, Facebook, WhatsApp, Messenger, SMS, email, Snapchat, wherever you want. Just click on other and choose the app you want. Easy and quick. Don't forget to subscribe and like.